Hi guys, welcome to Rules for 9. And look, we're doing the summer beach party. It's out today in Albania. Mackenzie and Ben here. Welcome to Summer Jam. This is all the different beach hangouts every day and collect a new item. It's also before the at Big Mama Snack Shack. Make sure you check it out. Let's surf. My mouse is not working. Let's go check it out. So I'll surf. I click let's. And I don't think we have cheese yet. This room is pretty big. Lots of things to go on because it's a beach party. So, looks like that. I click that. Why I collect this item? Oh, yay, I have it. Well, if you collect that, if you click on that, you can collect the item. Well, we're supposed to, I'm gonna go put it on. This is for members and non-members. Let's see if anything happens in the dance. Oh, it just disappears. That's like 2 or 4 credits. So let's see what else is happening. Smoothies. Clothes shop. I see if there's anything different in clothes shop. Well, they did change it a lot. And like a lot. You'll see the news. Yeah, that's that. We're gonna go see what the motorcycle is. There's lots of stuff to do in this party. So there's lots of things to do this party. And kind of hard to do this. Oh my gosh. So cool. Look at this. There's a locked item you can get. And that will be available for all members. You just have to find it. And this is actually it. This is kind of cool. This is so cool. This part you can. Guys, you can do this. This is the coolest part, I think. I'm gonna go put on this special item I found. Is it already on? Yeah, the vehicle is on. Look at this. This is so cool. Let's see what this is. This is member stuff. Member stuff. Member stuff. Member stuff. Yeah, this is all member stuff. And wow, this is actually kind of cool. I'm gonna go exit this because there's lots of things to do this in the party. Okay, that was actually pretty cool. Let's go backstage if you're ready. And I'm just gonna try. Okay, let's try Snack Shack. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. Try again. Thank you. Oh, what? The game was full. So that's it for the summer jam. Bye.